We got a few inches of snow yesterday, but since I've removed the little block on the upper entrance, I've seen a lot more bees out. See, there's evidence of them cleaning out their guts on the top of the hive. And down here, somebody came out today, tried to go for a fly. So we're just trying to keep an eye on them. A couple weeks ago, I was able to add some sugar to the top for the mountain camp feeding. I don't really hear them buzzing or anything, so they must be in a torpor. But it's obvious, you know, it's been almost a month that we've had this cold gray weather. So they could really use a nice day to come out and fly. It's been 2 days since the last video clip. And see all sorts of squirrel and rabbit tracks out here. You can also see out in the snow bees who came out, used the bathroom. It's just too cold for them. They did not make it very far. So it might be a bit dangerous, but I'll put my ear up to that top entrance. I don't hear anything. So here's hoping next week we'll get up close to the 50s actually, that this can all melt, that the bees can get out, clean out their guts, and you know, have an actual break. It's been almost a month of cold, snow, rain, and gray. We've finally made it up to about freezing. Depending on which thermometer you look at, it's either 32 or 34 degrees, but the sun's beating down on the hive. You can see there's some ladies out. There's evidence here in the snow. You can see where they've been out for cleansing flights. You can see the marks in the snow. They're cleaning out their guts, which is a good sign. But you also have bees who are out flying and it's too cold for them. What are you doing out here? You can see the hive is surprisingly active for the amount of snow we have on the ground. You can see quite a few bees out using the bathroom, maybe drinking some water and warming up. So just a quick winter update. I know that there is lots of cold. Our friends down in Texas are really getting it bad. I don't know how those beekeepers will be doing. But thanks for watching Bee Dad. Subscribe to join the hive. Leave some pollen in the comments. All right, Mr. Bee, you can leave me alone.